Hello everyone, welcome to this talk about C2Ideas, supporting creative interior color design ideation with large language model. Design ideation is the fundamental step in creative projects. We have seen a remarkable transformation in creative design, particularly in interior color design that seeks to craft aesthetically and emotionally compelling spaces. While leveraging AI in this domain presents challenges. One is addressing the diverse and often ill-defined needs of users, such as mood inclinations and current trends. Another is considering the complex interaction between color composition and furniture layout to create a coordinated interior color design. Failing to meet these challenges can lead to design pitfalls. For instance, misinterpreting the intent of a warm and cozy living room might yield a color palette contrary to requirements. Even with appropriate colors, imbalanced proportions or discord with interior elements can disrupt the intended ambience. Many attempts have connected AI and color design, including data-driven models learning textual color relationships and prompt-driven strategies guiding pre-trained models for user-desired results. These methods, however, face difficulties in understanding complex user intentions. Moreover, they have used an end-to-end approach, make it hard for professionals to flexibly adjust. Large language models offer new possibilities in creative design due to their ease of use and powerful generation abilities. While they have been used in various fields, their potential in interior color design is largely unexplored. Applying LLM to color design is challenging due to their end-to-end nature. Its lack of control and absence of domain-specific knowledge. Current research prioritizes meaningful interactions for intent alignment, but often lacks full domain knowledge integration. Facing these challenges, we conducted interviews to find the needs and expectations of interior color designers on involving AI assistance in their work. Following the design requirements, we developed C2Ideas, an LLM-assisted tool for interior color design that aligns with user intent and follow design rationales. It considers domain knowledge, including color psychology, natural color system representations, and color construction rules, along with user input and interior scenes. The tool is designed in 3 phases, closely following the conventional workflow of interior color design. Each phase combines a prompt-based LLM operation with both GUI and natural language user interactions. In idea prompting, user input is decomposed into prompts encompassing design themes and color moods for customization. In word color association, these prompts are transformed into NCS color description for 3 color schemes, maintaining coherence while introducing diversity through saturation and lightness. Finally, in interior coloring, the color schemes are applied to the interior scene, allowing for refinement. The tool then provides immersive experience via virtual reality, supported by visual analytic and natural language reasoning. Users have the capability to refine the generated color schemes using natural language instructions, even if these instructions are vague, such as expressing dissatisfaction with messy colors without specifying the desired improvements. Our system consists of 3 views, namely the conversation view, the color design view, and the result view. Users begin by inputting their desired style, like warm and cozy, into a dialog box. The LLM then translates this into a professional design concept, including a design theme and color mood attributes. Users can modify these generated concepts and create color palettes with primary, secondary, and accent colors based on them. They can customize each palette, lock in preferred choices, and remove those less suitable ones with immediate updates. If users find the option in their chosen color palette limited, they can rerun the process to generate more. Once satisfied with their color palettes, they can enrich the color palettes to add more depth. Users can select a desired palette and apply it to the interior scene. They can explore the generated result from both first-person and third-person perspectives, with the ability to rotate the viewport. Full-screen viewing provides a more immersive experience. If users are unsatisfied with the coloring of specific objects, they can manually adjust the colors to align with their preference. Alternatively, if they lack a clear vision, they can provide vague instructions through natural language to make changes and offer inspiration. Users have the option to switch to full-screen mode for a more immersive experience. Additionally, they can access color usage analysis and reasoning for the provided design. For the evaluation, we conducted a comparative quantitative user study involving 3 different room settings for varying complexity, including a study room, bedroom, and living room. We included 5 different styles spanning across common color semantic space, such as modern and simple, warm and cozy. We conducted a comparative analytic involving 14 participants from the professional design community, comparing our method against 3 other approaches. 2 of these approaches involved the removal of specific color domain knowledge, one without consideration of color mood and the other without attention to color composition ratios. We also compare our method to end-to-end approaches, which do not utilize domain-specific knowledge for enhancement and do not include a chain of thought in their process. We concentrate on evaluate the color scheme's relevance to the specific style, its rationality, user preference, and their diversity and inspiration level of the result. The result indicates that our approach surpassed 2 domain knowledge removal strategies in terms of outcome relevance and rationality, leading to a higher preference. Compared to the end-to-end approach, our results demonstrate greater diversity and inspiration. Qualitative feedback also reflects this finding. The end-to-end approach is stable yet criticized for its monotonous simplicity, like a lazy designer who tries to avoid mistake in a very safe range. The 2 domain knowledge removals, while praised for bold creativity, often lead to chaotic results. Participants were divided, with some admiring the novelty and others disapproving due to abrupt color matching and poor color compositions. Conversely, our approach effectively balanced creativity with practicality, making it appealing for real-world application. In short, we have introduced C2Ideas, a system that facilitates the creative ideation of color schemes in interior design. AI-supported creative design is an area worth exploring, and there's more to be done. Looking ahead, we aim to tackle more complex interior settings that reflect the real-world design challenges, such as dynamic changes in furniture layouts. Additionally, we plan to enrich our system by considering subtle design rationales, allowing for more flexible and customized color compositions, and integrating image inputs such as mood board. A key insight from our research is that designers' expectation of AI tools. Rather than viewing AI merely as a passive tool, there is a growing demand for AI to act as an active collaborator throughout the whole design process. While large language models represent a significant milestone in design, it's crucial to emphasize the irreplaceable role of designers in integrating AIGC into the creative design process. That's all for my talk, and thanks for listening.